Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. My name is Prince Mason. Today we're going to be looking at how you can easily and quickly color grade your images using gradient map in Photoshop 2020. Now there are some nice new gradients that they've added to this. Now depending on the image that you are color grading, is just you can use different things. We're going to get into Photoshop now and I'll show you. But before we do that, make sure you check out my digital store. I have some amazing things there for you. I have my retouching essentials pack that will help you retouch better and retouch faster. I also have some skin tone lots for color grading, amazing skin tones, both light and dark skin tones, so you guys should definitely go check that out. So now let's get straight into this. Oh, by the way, I have freebies too. So I have a free frequency separation action and I also have a free eyes and teeth whitening action, so check that out. Now let's get into this. So one of the first things that I would like to think about when I see an outdoor image is, you know, how I'm going to color grade this image, right? But sometimes you don't have a lot of time. Let's say you shoot weddings and you shoot a lot of portraits and you're trying to like bring out stuff fast. If you are not if you don't have a lot of presets that you use to color grade, sometimes you just want something that is real quick and real fast. Or let's say you're a beginner, right, and you're just starting up and you are looking to, you know, learn Photoshop and just try out a few things to color grade, right? I have a few videos already that you can check out, but this one is pretty simple. So now the first thing I'll do for an image like this is just add some contrast to it, right? But we're going to use gradient maps for everything today. Like I said, it's simple, it's easy, it's straight to the point, right? So the first thing I'll do is create the black and white gradient, right? So I'll just come to adjustment layer and create a gradient map, right? And if for some reason it's reversed, you can just untick that, you know, and it will look like this. But if it's already not reversed and you can see that like it looks inverted, just click on reverse. You guys understand, whatever happens, just click on reverse till your image looks like this, right? So if your image looks like this now, what I want to do is just pick a normal black and white gradient, right, and click OK. Now your image is going to look like this. I'm going to change my blend mode to soft light. Now what this does is that it adds a lot of contrast to my image, right? And what I can do is just come to my opacity and reduce the contrast to a particular level, so you guys can see before and after. Let me just zoom in so you guys can see that before and after. It has added some really nice contrast to my image. Now the next thing I'll do is create another gradient map. Now once I create another gradient map and click, right now I'm just going to pick any random gradient from the ones up here. So I'm just going to click this and click OK, and I'll change my blend mode again to soft light. You guys can see we have color graded this image in just a few steps. So what I'm going to do right now is put both of them in a group. Command click and command, which is control on PC, G to group it, and let's see our before and our after. You guys can see it is just a very quick and easy way to color grade your image. So let's see our before again and our after. If you feel like you've done too much, you can just reduce your opacity, see before and after. Quick way to color grade your images, right? Now what if you just want to do something different, you know, like maybe this is too dramatic for you, right? Let's go back to our second gradient map that we created, and there are so many gradients in the new Photoshop 2020 right now. Let's just go to let's see, what do we have here? Let's go to neutrals, right? And we'll click that, open it, and just pick this one. You guys can see this just gives it a really warm look, right? So what I'm going to do right now is increase my opacity, and it has this really nice warm effect to it. So let's see our before. I'm just going to zoom out and show you guys. This is our before and our after. Before and our after. It has this nice summer vibe to it. So that is how you can color grade your images with the gradient maps. Now you can go crazy. You can you know, add what do you call it, layer mask to remove it from some areas in your images, and you know, just fill it back. This is just a very quick way for anybody that's a beginner in Photoshop that wants to color grade their outdoor images. This is just a really quick way to do it. Like I said, it's simple, it's easy, it's straight to the point. You can go through a ton of gradients that they have in the gradient map tool, right? Or in the gradient map adjustment layers. There are just so many in the new Photoshop. You have pastels that will give you this nice faded look, and let's go to blues and check out some of the blues. You guys can see we have that. But when it comes to skin tones, I'll just stick with something that has a little bit of warmth in it. So let's try out the reds. It looks nice. The reds look nice too. But yeah, so it just depends on what you want to do. But if I was to pick, I really like this neutral for this image. It looks amazing. Probably just increase my opacity, and let's just add one more gradient map to this. Just add one random one to it. So gradient map, and remember the first one that we added, right, which is this gradient map tool right here, or this gradient right here. And let's change this to soft light, and we can reduce the opacity of this one, then zoom out. Looks beautiful. So that's our before and our after. Before, after, and we've color graded this image. Before, after. Simple, easy, and straight to the point. This is how you color grade with your gradient maps. Now you can go through different blend modes if you want. You know, there are different ones. Ooh, this color looks amazing, right? See, it's just a different look entirely, right? So you can just go through different blend modes and go through different what do you call it, gradients in the gradient map adjustment layer. Just go through different things so you find the one that works for you. But yeah, like I said, quick, easy way to color grade your images. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to comment below. Let me know if this helped you in any way, and let me know the next video you want to see. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have an amazing week. Peace.